How do you make money from digital marketing if you don't have any sales? That has to be by far one of the most common questions that I see beginners ask, and I know where it's coming from because they see the most successful people in this space making money by showing how much money that they've made, which encourages more people to buy from them, right? Which gives them the opportunity to show even how much more money that they've made, okay? And it's essentially that aspect of social proof, right? So beginners will see this and they're like, okay, well, all of the most successful people are making their money by flashing how much money that they've made. So if they haven't made any money, who's going to buy from them, right? Who is going to trust them, right? Like, who are they, right? I'm just this little individual who hasn't had any success, so why is anybody going to buy from me? Well, I would like to share and let you know that there are other ways to make money with digital marketing besides just showing how much money you've made. Now, for starters, something I need to clarify, right? Because it is one of the biggest misconceptions out there, right? A lot of people have been misled into thinking that digital marketing is solely about selling digital products, right? And that is the furthest thing from the truth. Digital marketing goes way beyond just selling digital products, right? It's essentially selling anything online, right? You can be selling physical products. You could be promoting a business, promoting a brand, promoting yourself, right? As a personal brand, whatever the case may be, right? You could be selling a pencil, anything, right? If you are promoting or selling anything online, you are essentially engaging in digital marketing, right? It's just basically the marketing of anything online. That's digital marketing. Now, how do people go about making money with digital marketing? Well, there are various different ways to go about it, and I'm not going to sit here and start listing all of them because we'll be here forever. There are just so many different ways to do this. As an example, let me just give you just a few, right? You can create your own products, right? You can create your own products, whether they're physical products or digital products, or if you're promoting if you have a service that you're providing, okay, you can use digital marketing, right? Promoting stuff online using the various social media platforms or other means, whether it's search engine optimization or search engine marketing, whatever form of marketing that there is to do stuff online, you can use that to promote your products, okay? And that's a way you can make money from digital marketing, right? It doesn't have to be your own products. You can promote other people's products as well as an affiliate, okay? So you're using now affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is just basically a very simple business model that allows regular individuals like you and I to partner with other people or other companies' products, right? Well, with other people or other companies and promote their products in return for an affiliate commission, okay? Every time we help them generate a sale as a result of our digital marketing efforts. So that's another way to use digital marketing to make money, right? And then you have like the whole UGC thing, where user generated content. Brands, or in fact like companies, will even pay you, right, to create videos for you, right? To create videos for you that you don't even have to post on your social profiles. They'll take them and put them on theirs, right? And promote those videos with their own digital marketing efforts, right? So I don't know if that necessarily falls into well, it is digital marketing in a sense, right? Because even though you're not doing the marketing directly, you are creating the material. You are creating the marketing material for the other people to use to promote their products with digital marketing, right? So like I said, there's so many different ways, that you can go about using digital marketing to make money, okay? But coming back to the whole aspect of being able to make money through digital marketing without having any sales of your own, right? The most simple way for beginners to go about doing this, that at least that I know of, right, which I have actually employed myself, is by simply you can get that social proof by documenting your journey, for instance, right? And basically sharing everything that you're doing, being transparent, not only showing your wins, but showing your losses and showing how, like, how whatever it is that you're using, right, is helping you, okay? For example, case in point right now, one of the products that I'm promoting, the digital product that I'm promoting right now is one called Digital Wealth Academy, right? It is a course, right? That is the digital product, and it essentially teaches people how to make money using digital marketing and so many. Basically, it teaches you 15 different streams of income, 15 different ways to make money online, right? And they basically vary from whether it's promoting stuff on Amazon, if it's a TikTok shop, right, affiliate, or creating a YouTube channel and making money from monetizing a YouTube channel, right? Like I said, I can't remember them all off the top of my head. Drop shipping is amongst them, right? Monetizing with Pinterest. Like I said, there are 15 different ways. Okay, selling the course itself, right? If that's affiliate marketing, right? Selling the course itself is one of the streams or the different ways that they teach you to make money online, whereby they will pay you an 85% commission for every sale that you generate. The course itself is like $497, so every time you do generate a sale, you would be making roughly $422 and some change, right? So what I'm pretty much going to be doing now, right? Like, since I'm looking to spend more time making affiliate commissions from promoting this course, is I'm going to spend a lot of my time documenting my journey, everything that I'm learning from the course, how it's helping me, right? All the things that I'm learning that I didn't know before, right? I'm not one of the top affiliates or anything like that, right? So essentially, I'm going to be, putting into practice what I'm sharing with you right now, right? Essentially, I'm just going to be sharing everything that I'm doing, documenting the journey, and in the process of doing that on the various different social media platforms, my expectation is that I'm going to start generating sales, right? And then at that point, now, once you start generating sales, if you want to, right, start sharing the sales that you're generating, of course that is going to help, right? That is going to help with generating even more sales. I can be honest, I can tell you up front, right? Of course, like, when you're making a lot of money, right, when you're making a lot of money and sharing that and showing that with people who might be interested in learning how to do what you're doing, that definitely helps to drive sales, right? There's no question about it. Money is a high and a huge motivating factor for a lot of people. It is, in fact, one of the primary reasons why people even get started with this business to begin with, right? Because they don't have money, right? So they need that extra money, and they need that extra money to do whatever it is that they want to do. So seeing other people making money and successfully living the lives that they want to live, right, is a huge motivator to get people to take action. So of course you're going to make more money when you do that, right? But that does not have to be the only way to do it, right? People are generous. I've seen beginners with no experience whatsoever get started doing this, right? And making money with brand new accounts with no followings, right? So you start a brand new account, social media profile on whatever platform you want to use, and you start from scratch and start getting people to follow you, getting people to know, like, and trust you, right? And once that happens, through the content that you provide, sharing your journey, sharing everything you're doing, being transparent, sharing your frustrations, sharing your aspirations, right? And then eventually, when people see value in what you're doing, and they see that, what if they can see that what you are sharing is something that can genuinely help them as well, they will be inclined to buy from you, and that's how you start generating sales. Okay, so it just the social proof can start with the most basic things. Do not think that you only have to share sales, right, in order to get people to start buying from you. All right, so just being transparent, being authentic, showing everything that's happening behind the scenes is a great way to get yourself going. So if you've ever been wondering how you make money with digital marketing if you don't have any sales already, that would be the way to go about it. Okay, that's my 2 cents right there. I'm in no way, shape, or form any kind of guru or anything like that, right? Those of you who have been following me for a while, you will know, at least you will know what I'm all about to begin with. So, but anyway, for those of you who want to get started, I'd highly encourage you to do so. First, link in the description below this video that will take you to my Stan Store, which is the platform that we use to sell the various digital products that well, at least the one that I'm using. That's just one of many. There's several out there. Okay, but if you want to get started making money with digital marketing, Digital Wealth Academy is the course I would encourage you to pick up. Don't need any prior experience, and like I said, you don't have to resell the course in order to make money, right? There's like 15 different ways to make money online that are taught inside the course, and there are plenty of members who are making multiple thousands of dollars a month without even reselling the course. Okay, it just so happens that reselling the course is one of the easier ways to get started, right? So you get instant approval to become an affiliate, so why not add that to your various streams of income if you decide to go with others, right? So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.